Now, I absolutely love this car. This is the first one we have ever had. You can hear it's silent. The new Toyota Highlander XL Hybrid Premium, which is a self-charging 2.5 litre hybrid vehicle, 7-seater. It is absolutely superb. It's a 2022. It's the only 22 available in the UK. It's done 170 mile. And the finish on this it reminds me of the old classic Toyota finish, which was to a real high standard. It's like a Land Cruiser. It's phenomenal. And the technology in it, everything about it, I think it represents unbelievable value for money. It's not a plug-in, self-charges, so it's really up to date with technology. The shape, everything about it, it's not too big. It's got 7 seats. It looks modern. I just think it's a fantastic car. And to drive, it is superb. The technology in it, when I show you, is second to none. Like I said, 170 miles, the only 2022 available. It's the premium, which gives you lovely specs. So you get 20-inch diamond cut wheels, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, and it's got some great features. Like I said, latest model, cameras all round surround the car, 20-inch diamond cut wheels, silver and black, privacy glass on the back, and it's the first one we've ever had. The shape, I think, superb. You can see Highlander Hybrid, all-wheel drive. What a vehicle. And actually, I'll start here. Just open the boot. It's a 7-seater as well. And you've still got great boot space. You've got the extra seats there, which drop down. If they're down, you've got a massive boot. But then you've even got, look at the size of the space. Show you inside. So it's all keyless. And then when you get inside, it's phenomenal, really. I love the way the finish and what they've done to it. So on here, you've got ambient lighting, you've got memory seats, you've got electric folding mirrors. We've got sliding panoramic sunroof, but it's the finish. You know, the leather steering wheel, it feels really to a top high standard. This big screen inside, beautiful soft leather throughout. And now let me tell you about the extras on this car. So heads-up display, so all your speedo, lane assist, everything is projected onto the centre. You've on the seats on this section here, if we go through them, we've got heated, we've got cooled seats, we've got rear climate for the rear passengers. You can do all that from the front. Let's turn them off the cold, actually. You've got, look at the reversing camera with top view system. You've got rear heated seats. You've got lane assist, you've got all your multifunctional steering wheel with these lovely little gear changes on here. Heated steering wheel. Now look at this button. So say you're in the car and you want to check your surroundings. Press this button here, view. Watch this. How good is that? Camera goes all the way around the car and back to the front. Now I love that feature. What a feature. All different USB, all different charging points. You've got your EV mode, so you can really use the hybrid to your advantage. Slide the little armrest. You've got that little charging point there for your phone. And it's just a great car. We sell, you know, so many Range Rovers, X5s, Mercedes, but every now and then something really gets our attention, and this is one of them vehicles. It's superb in every way. It's hybrid, so it's right up to date. It's a 2022. It's got 7 seats. It's got all the technology. It's got bags and bags of space. Look at these little rear blinds in the back. Look at the space. So comfortable. Feels so. It's like a big Land Cruiser, but it's not at that level of price, if you like. Rear heated seats, rear climate control, beautiful finish in the back, big glass roof, and then you've got the extra seats here behind. And like I said, only 2022 Highlander for sale in the UK. So if you're looking for one, it's here, it's physical, you can ring me, get it secured. Look at these new LED lights at the back, the shape. I just think they've done a fantastic job. It's a great size, great technology. Yeah, I really like this car. I think you can tell. Going live on our website, new generation Toyota Highlander. What a vehicle.